Hello guys, we are building an e-commerce shopping cart. So we have 4 products. Each product has detail page. Let's see. So we have title, price and descriptions, but we need to query the categories of the product. So this product ID is 2. So let's see our category table. This is our category table. There is 4 items. We have also products table, but in category we don't have any product ID here, and in products table we don't have any category ID here. So how we can combine it and show the categories? But we have another table called pivot table category product. In this table we have product ID, category ID and subcategory ID. We don't have any subcategories now, so we have to query categories and category product and join them together and took the categories from the categories table by using this pivot table, and the condition will be products ID. So this product ID is 2. So let's see, product IDs 2 have 2 categories. The category ID should be 5 and 4. So if we see 5 and 4 is women's and men's. Let's see how we can show it by joining the tables. So let's run the SQL. So we have to select categories and category product table and pass the product ID to see the result. Let's first select the categories table. Let's first select all from categories. Let's give an alias called C. So we have the categories table, and we have to join the category product table as well to get the expected result. So let's join category product. Let's give an alias called CP. Let's see what we get. So we see we have this categories table and category product table, and let's give some condition. So we are joining the category product on the condition. Let's give condition 1. Condition should be categories table category ID, and that should be match category product table category ID. So let's see, on cp dot category ID equal should be c dot ID. Let's see what we get. So we minimizes our records, and now we have one condition left, that is where product ID equal to. So we have the product ID 2, and let's give the condition as well, where product ID equal to. Let's see. So we get down 2 categories, men's and women's, that is related the product ID 2, and the category ID is 5 and 4, and ID is 3 and 4. So we get our expected results. So we don't need everything, we need only name, so we can minimize it like C means category table dot name, only give us the name of the categories. So we get the names. So let's copy this and let's see how we can show it here. So we are developing this by using MVC pattern and PDO. Let's go to controller and let's create cats equal new we will use the model called catprod, that means category product. So let's call it catprod, and our method name will be let's say cats, and we should pass our product ID. We get product ID from here, UCID, so we are passing the product ID. Let's go to the catprod model and make the function call cats. Let's pass the product ID. We are passing from there. Let's make a variable called select equal, we get the query from there, and let's copy these statements I have created before. And let's pass the ID here, and we have to say here like this, where product ID equal what, that's how we pass it here. And let's see if we get the desired result or not. Let's dd the cats and let's reload the page. So we get our categories. That's great. Let's show it in our detail page. So we copy the cats and paste it here, and let's go to our view called product show. So our view called product show. Okay, so where is our categories? Our category in, let's see what is the name now, demo products. In here we see. So let's show it here. We will rearrange later. We are using also blade, so we can say for each cat says cat. Now we can say cat, then name, and let's see. So there is something wrong. Let's see how it is. Cats. Okay, let's cut it and let's say, okay, we have to semicolon it here. So we get the array, but we don't have any name index, that's why we get the wrong. So we can say only cat. Let's see now. Okay, invalid arguments applied for each string conversion variable array. Number 34. Okay, we get double in here. Yeah, we see men's and women. That's it. Thank you.